everybody, what you're looking at here is a 1996 Hampton Carousel first generation ceiling fan. This fan I got off a marketplace for 30 bucks. And I find it odd how this one has, instead of a red spotlight, it has an orange spotlight. And the pull chains are closer together, unlike the normal ones. Got the Hampton logo right there. That's what the top looks like. It might be made by Encon. I don't know. Yeah. I will turn it up to you. This fan was in pretty bad shape when I first found it, as the blades were bent. They were pretty bent up, and also it was also like really noisy because I guess the bearings weren't like kept taken care of. You can see now the blades are in pretty good condition. Turning it up to medium. This fan has glossy blades, as you can see. Does still have a slight wobble, but it really doesn't matter. I don't want to break the blades off on accident. Though it is 4 or 5 blades, so in case that actually happened, then there would be no issue. So. Get the damn thing focused. I took out one of the bulbs so that I wouldn't mess with the video. Sometimes it just like makes the fan look weird, and it also makes the video look blurry, and I do not want that. And now I'll go high. It did not come with chains, unfortunately. It's honestly fine. And the socket is just a one pull. It's not like a 3-way light switch. I mean, like I'm on a full chain. So would have been cool if it was a 3-way, like the Carousel, or like the later versions of this. I do like the first generation. I do like the first generation better, but than the second or third generation. But I will say I like the later ones better than the earlier ones, because I think they look like more original. Because like the Huntington housing and everything. Let's see this top shot. Close up. Alright, let's verse it. These fans are sold from, I believe, 1994, 1995. I know they were from the mid-90s to about 2000 or 1999. And then they were replaced by the Carousel too. If anybody can correct me on that, you can go ahead. Please do. This also, these were different from the later ones, also because the yellow canopy, you can tell it has a yellow canopy, and also because they have a more generic canopy. Unlike the later ones, which have a honeycomb canopy. And I believe there's something else with the spotlight, but I just cannot remember what. But yeah. guys enjoyed my 52-inch 1996 Hampton Carousel first generation sleep fan. And I'm out.